There's an estimated 43,000 illegal immigrants in Salt Lake County alone. More than half would be able to stay in the U.S. under President Obama's immigration plan. Well, today, the executive order that would put that plan in place was dealt a blow. A federal appeals court denied a request to implement the plan while a challenge to it moves forward. That challenge comes from 26 states, including Utah. Good for Utah's Jason Wynn is digging into the issue.
It would have been a game changer for illegal immigrants in the U.S., but the president's immigration reform plan was kept on hold by a federal appeals court in Louisiana.
Obviously, it affects families in two separate sections, whether it be children or parents, in the same way.
Now, thousands of families in Utah are being split apart.
The deferred action programs, whether it be extended DACA or DAPA, is very, very important for keeping our families together.
These programs would have protected young immigrants who came to the U.S. as children from being deported. It would also protect parents of U.S.-born citizens pending a background check.
200 families have written Attorney General Sean Reyes asking him not to support the 5th District's decision.
But many state leaders agreed with the courts. Senator Orrin Hatch said, "Today's decision by the Court of Appeals represents an important victory for those of us who have fought to hold this president accountable to the law and to the Constitution. I applaud the court's decision and will continue to do everything in my power to fight this executive overreach." Senator Lee echoed the statements. "Our immigration system is in desperate need of reform, but that reform must be agreed to and passed by Congress, not unilaterally imposed on the American people by the executive branch. But this won't be the last time this plan is in front of a judge."
Regardless of who makes the decision in the end, it will be implemented. We're just going to wait.
And waiting is not easy for these undocumented families. In Salt Lake City, I'm Jason Wynn, Good for Utah.
This Saturday, Communities United will hold a public hearing on immigration reform. For more information on that, head to goodforutah.com.